This 2024 Heartland Prowler Lynx 302BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corpus Christi, Texas, 78409 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Corpus Christi. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland and features Sleeps 9, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.